We get a thrill improving a model or making it more accurate with scratch building. But scratch building is changing. It's not just sheet plastic and brass tubing anymore. It's 3D printing, 2D drawing software, decal printing, vinyl cutting, and much more. I wanted to improve my X+ Maschinenmensch model from the film Metropolis, the female robot also known as Futura and False Maria. It's a good model, and there are videos on the great work people have done. I used a mix of different techniques to make improvements. I made a new base to get more of the feel of the film set. The set had the throne sitting on a multi-level glass floor with glass square pyramid feet. I used black acrylic for a glass look, then traced the feet in Blender. I 3D printed the square feet and new conical throne feet in clear resin, then lit them with LEDs. In the end, I used traditional scratch building, digital 3D, and resin printing. That got me thinking, is there such a thing as digital scratch building? I've bought STL files to print resin parts, but now I'm making my own STL files. Digital scratch building can do things I can't. I don't have the tools or the skill to physically make certain parts, so I'm learning how to use 3D software to create parts I never could before. I'm barely functional with 3D, but I'm learning. I use a craft cutter to make vinyl masks and to cut shapes in thin sheet plastic. Free software, like INKSCAPE, helps me make decals and plans. Digital scratch building is now another tool in the toolbox, right next to my trusty number 11 X-Acto blade. Give it a try, and good modeling.